In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Adobe Illustrator CC 2025 free trial. To get started, head down below the like button and click on the link. This is going to take you across to the official Adobe website. Then we're going to head up to Creativity and Design, and under Featured Products, we're going to select Illustrator. Now on the main Illustrator page, you're going to see exactly what you get access to within the free trial from Adobe Illustrator. You do get access to the full program that Illustrator offers, and there's some amazing cool things that you can do inside of Adobe Illustrator. If you want to explore more of the Illustrator features that you're going to get access to by downloading and installing it on your laptop or computer, you can then have a look at the bottom here and see everything that you get access to. And you can also head over to view all features. For now, we want to get the free trial, so head down and click on the free trial button. And then we have a few choices that I want to walk you through. There's Illustrator for individuals, there's for students and teachers, and there is for business. So choose the one applicable to you. We're going to go with individuals. And then you're going to choose between the Illustrator only app or getting access to the Creative Cloud Pro. Now, Creative Cloud Pro gives you access to all of the apps inside the Creative Cloud suite offered by Adobe, which is 20 plus apps, including Photoshop and Illustrator, which is our main one that we want to get. You also get access to standard AI image features, and you get 4,000 monthly generative credits to use on the new amazing AI tools that Adobe has to offer. So we're going to go with the Creative Cloud Pro option, and then we need to choose a subscription even if we are going for the free trial. So you can choose between monthly, annual billed monthly, and annual prepaid. Now this is completely up to you. If you're a high roller, you can do the annual prepaid, or you can do the monthly or annual billed monthly. Now remember, with the annual billed monthly, there are fees that do apply if you cancel before the end of the year. If you go with the monthly, it's a bit more expensive than the annual billed monthly, but you can cancel at any time. So if you only want it for a month or two after the free trial, then go with the monthly option. But if you find that too expensive and you're happy to go for it for the entire year and just be billed on a monthly basis, so it works out a little bit cheaper, then you can choose that one. We're going to choose the monthly option, and then you can add a trial of Adobe stock, which gives you 10 standard assets, but it is at an extra cost. So just check what that cost is if you want to try out Adobe stock. Then once you've made your decisions, click on the blue continue button. In step 1 of 2, we're going to enter our email address. Once we've entered our email address, I want you to check the figures in the cart and also see when your 7-day free trial ends. This is going to be different for you. And then just check that the due now is in fact 0, so you are getting access to the free trial for 7 days. Once you've checked all of this and you're happy, click on the blue continue button. This is going to take you across to step 2 of 2, where you're going to enter your payment information. So you're going to input your credit card details, or you can use PayPal. Once you've completed your payment details, click the blue continue button, and the download for Creative Cloud Pro will start on your computer. And then open up Creative Cloud Pro and you can download Illustrator and start using it on your laptop or your computer. If you get stuck anywhere along the way, or if you have any questions for us, please let us know in the comment section down below and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy Adobe Illustrator as much as we do.